Right, so moving on, we're going to look at question 21 from the paper, from the mock paper. This is the Igcse 2019 paper 1 from Edexcel. This question asks us to find an angle. So let's review the information that we've got. We know from the question that the radius is 4.5 centimeters, and we know that the curved surface area is 130. Okay, we're going to need some further information so that we can work with that. Luckily, at the front of the exam, there are some formulae given. I'm just going to go and grab the correct ones. So we can see that there is a formula for the curved surface area given pi, r, and l, given in terms of pi, r, and l. So that means that we should be able to work out the length of L from the equation that's given. That means that we can work out the length OV by using Pythagoras. Let's go ahead and look at some of those things. The curved surface area is given as 130. So we know that the curved surface area, let's call that CSA, is equal to pi r l. I know the curved surface area is 130. So that's equal to pi times 4.5, which is given us in the question, times the length, which is this distance here. So I can find that length by just working backwards through that, 130 over 4.5 pi. And that will come out as, I'll just do that quickly on the calculator, 4.5 times pi. That is 9.1956. Lots more numbers. It's worth storing that in the calculator using the buttons, using the memory tabs that there are. So now I've got the length of the side, which is here, L. I also know the radius here. I can use that to calculate the overall size of the whole thing. Let's just draw another diagram. So here is the triangle that I'm looking at. I know that it's got a right angle down here. I know that this length is 9.1956, and a lot more numbers, and this is 4.5. I am trying to find this angle. Well, actually, I'm trying to find double that angle because I want the bit down the other side. I'm actually trying to find all of this at the top. But if I find that and double it, that'll work. I can use basic trig here because I can recognize that I've got the opposite here. Let's use green. Got the opposite and the hypotenuse, so I can use sine. So let's go ahead and use sine. Call this angle theta. So sine of theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. That means that sine of theta is equal to 4.5 over 9.1956. Lots more numbers. We've got that stored in the calculator, so we're not going to lose any accuracy. I can go ahead and calculate that because I can use the sine minus 1 of 4.5 over 9.1956, etc., which gives me 29.2988, lots more numbers. Now, that's not finished the question. I still have to answer the thing, what is the angle AVB? That's just going to be double it. So I'm going to take, therefore, angle AVB is equal to, times that by 2, 58.597, blah, blah, blah. Read the question. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. Kind of important that we round this accurately now. So, whoops, wrong pen. That's 58.6 degrees. Job's a good one.